and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clearissa. Today's video is going to be, I'm thinking maybe the final or the next to the final installment of my kitchen organization series for 2021. It may end up being one more because I'm going to focus on my refrigerator, freezer, and if I take too long in the refrigerator, then the freezer will be the last one. But that's what I'm working on today, and I'm in my kitchen, so there's a lot going on in my kitchen today. I am making an apple pie. I am making a pot of beans. I also have a chicken dish that I'm making. I am doing my refrigerator. What else am I doing? And trying to keep my kitchen in some sort of order, and laundry will start soon as well. So as you can see, this will be a multitasking day. But the focus for you will be on me cleaning out my refrigerator. What I'm going to do though is take the camera down and I'm going to walk you around and show you the mess that we're starting with. Okay? Hold on just a second. So this pile of clean, I will say clean dishes that you see are all containers that I'm going to be using or attempting to use or trying out to see if they work in my refrigerator freezer refresh. But they're all clean because I washed them last night before bed, so they'd be ready today. Some are new, and you will see what's new in my next video, which will be a haul, because I did go out yesterday. I went to TJ Maxx, I went to Ross, Dollar Tree, and Family Dollar. And okay, so we're coming on down. You can see my pie is ready to go into the oven. My beans are on, and you know, it's just a kitchen in the middle of transition, let's say. So that's what I have going on this morning.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems.
Oh, my allergies. Oh, excuse me. But that's what I have going on this morning. So we are going to get started right about now. And let me say this before we do. If you are not already a member of our little family here, hit that subscribe button below. And once you hit that button, also hit the bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. It's a lifestyle channel. We do everything like you can see, from organizing, cleaning, hauls, decorating seasonally, and just plain old decorating. We touch on things that are important to your life and running your home in an organized and successful manner. That's what we do here. So I want you to come on in. Let's get busy.
Don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time. But if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying. Make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down. Putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye. Lock the door for 3, 2, 1. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy. But with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. Yeah, I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it.
I'm not sure I understand it, but everything.
Friends, the refrigerator's all clean now, so I'm going to start packaging up everything to put it back inside the refrigerator. I cleaned, I think I showed you the bottle. As a matter of fact, I'm sure I did. I cleaned with Dawn soap and water, and I also added I used a spray bottle of vinegar, and that's what I cleaned the refrigerator out with. You saw me using the knife to get all of the little crevices, and I did take quite a bit of it apart. I took the glass out between the shelves that goes on top of the drawers and washed all of that and got all the crevices. It amazes me how inside a refrigerator can get so messy. But it's all clean now. So now I'm going to start using the packaging for the containers that I bought, and let's see what works and what doesn't. I know you don't have a very good view here, but my counter space goes straight across, and my stove sits right in the middle, so I'm still cooking as well. So that's why the pot lid, you're seeing that there from this angle. But yeah, as I said, we're going to start putting stuff back now. Let me say this too. I absolutely love these 2 egg containers. They each hold 16 eggs. I picked them up from Family Dollar, and they were each $5. And well worth it. They're sturdy, they're heavy duty plastic, and they're stackable, and my eggs will not get crushed. So we buy and go through a lot of eggs, and so that'll be very helpful that it holds so many.
I don't know why I feel this way, but every time I hear your name, all my worries disappear. Yeah, it's all because of you. I feel the way I do. You make my dreams come true. Yeah, it's all because of you. And I don't fall in love so easily, 'cause I don't wear my heart up on my sleeve. Yeah, I don't know if you feel the same, but every time I hear your name, my worries disappear. It's all because of you. I feel the way I do. You make my dreams come true. Yes, you do now.
friends, as you can see, excuse me, I am trying to use my baking keeper, but I do not like it. It seems that the bacon gets slimy a lot quicker. So I'm trying to put my bacon in with the aluminum foil on, and it's not working. And if I can't use the aluminum foil, I'm not going to use the baking keeper, as you will see. So that was something that got purged because I really don't care for it at all. I would rather wrap mine in aluminum foil. I tried to use it, it just did not work for me.
You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come on close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come on close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while. Stay by my side. I'm hoping for some brighter days. 'Cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting knee deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come on close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come on close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while. Stay by my side. November gets cold. December gets darker. Let me know when you're home. 'Cause you're lighting a spark in me. Gets pretty lonely. I get so lonely. So stay by my side. Come on close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come on close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while. Stay by my side. Close. Side. Wanna be by your side. Close. Just for a while. Stay by my side.
Oh no, I gave my heart away. Went a bit too far, so wrong. Oh no, open up my soul. But babe, how could I know you're cold? Shame on you, should have seen what you were like. Dangerously nice. You got me all lost, so blinded. You got me all lost. Listen to my heart. I gotta be lost, survived it. Now you're all gone, 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 my friend. Oh Lord, I guess you fooled me once, but I ain't falling twice. All lies. Oh Lord, I ain't gonna run. My rise has just begun. I'll shine. Shame on you. Should have seen what you were like. Dangerously nice. You got me all lost, so blinded. You got me all lost. Listen to my heart. I gotta be lost, bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Early mornings in your dome, I be sneaking out the door while the sun rises. Cause I ain't got the time, yeah, can't tell another lie. And baby, I know you want more than this, but you know I can't afford your kiss, so I'm staying for the night.
So friends, this is the finished look. It's all clean and it smells good. I used vinegar and Dawn soap and warm water to wipe everything down. The top shelf is where all our drinks are. I am loving those bottles that I have my juices in, and that little clear container there as well. I am enjoying that because these things used to be falling all over the place in the refrigerator, because they're tiny and they'd get behind things and get stuck. But in that tray, they're secure and I like having them there. So the top shelf turned out to be all drinks. And as I'm pointing out here, I absolutely love those juice containers. The second shelf in the front there is leftovers. Behind that is my salad crisper, and it has lettuce in it now that I've already washed and spun, so it's ready for a salad. And the glass container has some sour cream and a dip, and I think a jar of pickles sitting behind it. In the front, though, I left that for leftovers. On the third shelf, I have my egg containers. I have my lump crab meat that's sitting there, and another container with all of the fruit, store-bought fruit in it. And this drawer is lined, of course, and I have fruit in that drawer. And in the next drawer, it's the humidity one. It's the crisper. So I did my food prep, and I have broccoli and cauliflower in the one. And these aren't plastic. They're the hard plastic containers as well. I have the beans in that one, snap beans for salads. I have black beans in the one I'm touching in the back. I also have olives, cucumbers, and on the bottom I have 2 bags of lettuce that I did not take out of the bags because it appears to last longer if I keep it in the bags. But that drawer is also nice and neat. And I have set the humidity midway to try and keep everything crisp there. And that drawer is also lined. And the bottom drawer has cheeses and meat. And that's all that's in there. The long one in the back with the aluminum foil, that's my bacon. As I told you guys earlier, I wasn't really fond of the bacon keeper, so I use just aluminum foil because it seems to work better for me. And this drawer is also temperature controlled, and I have it set as well. There's a container in there. Well, actually, there are 3 containers in there that kind of holds things together, and it's lined and nice and neat as well. So I cleaned out every shelf on the door, and then I tried to put things together by product, like sauces and condiments and that kind of thing. But it's not going to stay that way, but it's clean and it's neat, and I can find things. That's the important thing. And this shelf here, I could take it up a little further, but I don't need to, so it can hold tall things as well. But right now it's just holding sauces, and the one below is holding sauces and other things like pickles and Salad dressings are there as well. Olives, I think, are on this. Banana peppers. Things that we use often are on the door. And the bottom shelf has another container where I keep cough syrups and medications that I think they last a little longer kept in the refrigerator. I keep that box of Bisquick there because it lasts longer in the refrigerator, and this is open. And I don't make pancakes and that kind of things very often. So yes, I could keep it open in the pantry, but I think it'd stay a little longer in the refrigerator as well. As long as I have room for it there, I'm fine with that being there. So that's my refrigerator refresh, and I'm pleased with the way that it turned out. The containers came in very handy. I am really impressed with the ones for juice. I think I may get a couple more of those as well. And that's that. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope it has inspired you. It didn't take me too very long. It looked really, really bad. It looked worse than it was when I was working on it because of my counter space or lack thereof. But I have to find a different way to do that when I do that next time. I'm already thinking of a different camera angle and a way to do it so that you can see more of what's going on. But yeah, that's that. And like I said, I hope you've been inspired. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you haven't already subscribed, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, become a member of the family. And if you are new to my channel and you have subscribed, I want to say I see you and welcome. I am so glad that you're on this journey with us. And if you're one of my ride or dies and you've been here from the beginning, you know how I feel about you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I'm grateful for each and every one of you that come back every week when I upload content. I'm so very grateful. You guys have no idea how happy I am that you all are here and that you are allowing me to share my life with you. And so with that said, I'm going to leave you the way that I always do, with lots of love, with hugs, and with blessings. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.
Empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye.